Yo, what is going on, everybody? And welcome back to another video. So on this video, I'm basically going to go over how my first week of selling on Walmart has been so far and what I've learned about the platform up to this point. Now keep in mind, I'm still fairly new to the platform. I don't know much about, its services and, how, like the whole thing works. So, but without further ado, let's get started and actually go straight into the video. So currently, we made no sales yet. And that's just the bottom line truth. We haven't made no sales, but I have been messing around with the platform. I've tried listing at least 3 to 5 products. And so, when I listed those products, they'll be in a pending in progress type of stage where I guess Walmart has to like approve it or whatever. Now, I'm here listing, some of our best products that we sell on Amazon and listed them here on Walmart. And so I'm here, waiting a few days, waiting for them to approve it or whatever the process is. And apparently, after speaking to a few people, there's actually an ungating process that you have to do at first with Walmart. So it's very similar to Amazon, where if you're gated in certain brands and whatnot, you actually have to submit an invoice and get ungated. And so, I'm going to be going back and forth with Walmart and trying to get this resolved and hopefully get ungated on the product that I'm trying to list and, start making sales from that. But yeah, so apparently it's a process. And yeah, I wasn't even aware about that. I did not know you had to be ungated with Walmart, which I thought was pretty cool, because that creates barrier to entry to people who may not know about that, right? So I thought that was interesting. Now, speaking to another seller and whatnot about the Walmart platform, it seems that it definitely favors more for like sellers who can actually sell legit wholesale products. So if you're trying to do like some retail arbitrage away on Walmart and whatnot, it might not be possible to actually do that, at least from what I've been hearing. So, which I think is pretty nice too, because that's a barrier to entry for people who, may not be taking this serious or don't want to do the wholesale model. Then you basically almost can't sell at Walmart, right? At least from what I've been hearing. Okay, so maybe someone else has something different in their experience, and maybe it's possible. But that's just what I've been hearing up to this point. Okay, so again, just going through my experiences so far. But yeah, aside from that, the dashboard, it's pretty simple. It's nothing too complicated. It has its simple tabs, shipping settings and whatnot, which I'm still kind of trying to mess with and kind of get them right. Because yeah, it's just it's still fairly new to me. Now, another thing with Walmart is that they have similar ways, just like Amazon, right? They have their like FBM type of situation and FBA, which with Walmart's called Walmart Seller Fulfilled or Walmart. I forgot what the other one actually is, to be honest. But basically, you can do the same thing like Amazon, where you prep your products, send them to a Walmart facility, and then send them like FBA, just like Amazon. So, that's actually pretty cool. Another thing that I've learned also is that, like Amazon, where you can list both FBA and FBM products, with Walmart, you list either one or the other. And if you try listing both, it's going to go into your, you know, FBA alternative option first before it lets you do the seller fulfilled option. So I thought that was pretty interesting, doing this whole journey so far. Which means that if you're going to be sending product to the facility, those are going to sell out first because Walmart, favors that option first. And then once you start selling out and you get out of stock in that, then they'll allow the seller to, ship out their own product. So, which to me, it kind of sucks because at least with Amazon, you have a better chance of getting the buy box under both methods. And so you're able to kind of like diversify in that way. But I guess with Walmart, they want their FBA alternative option, that's Walmart, to basically do that first. So yeah, that's pretty interesting though. So yeah, those are just some of the few things that I've been learning up to this point so far though. So yeah, I mean, so far it's interesting, but like I've said, I've made no sales so far yet. So again, because I didn't know about the ungating process, so I'm literally wasting days here just waiting for a response and whatnot. And then I reached out to other sellers, and yeah, they told me about that process. So I was just like, oh snap! Like I didn't know that, So, but yeah. So far it's been just simple, basic, nothing interesting so far yet, as far as getting our sales up. But I am reaching out to Walmart now about the ungating process, so we'll do that. And I'll keep you guys basically updated and, just seeing how the journey goes. And hopefully we make our very first sale and, start making, 7 figures on Walmart too. So, but without further ado, guys, that is basically it. I do not want to ramble on too much anymore because, again, it's just been a week, so that's all that's been happening. But if you stay to the end of the video, guys, I do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one as always. Peace.